Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix packet loss in Battlefield 6 on your PC. So if your shots feel delayed or enemies lag around, this guide will help you stabilize your connection fast. So first of all, you will have to use a wired connection. So packet loss usually happens over Wi-Fi. So you can try connecting your PC directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. If that's not possible, you can move closer to the router and disconnect other devices using the same network. In the second step, you need to disable any of the background applications. For that, you can either press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key together, or you can also right click on the taskbar and click on the option of Task Manager. Over here in the task manager, you just have to close any of the heavy applications like we have Steam or Chrome or any of the app that is basically using your data. So these applications eats up the bandwidth and cause network drops while you are playing. So in order to remove them, you just have to right click on that and click on the option of end task. Now you can also check the Battlefield 6 server and the data center. For that, you can just launch the application, and there in the settings you are going to find the network information. So you can try switching to the nearest server region with the lowest ping. High latency servers often cause the packet loss even on the fast internet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.